Okay, now that we're done with whatever we were doing, brake job, whatever, in this case, new tire, mounted and balanced, it's time to put the wheel back on. So, with the wheel in place, you can see where the valve stem goes in the hubcap, where the little cutout is, and you can see that the two are opposite that. So we want to put these two lug nuts on to start. Always start lug nuts by hand. And that'll give us just enough to hold the hubcap in place. And then we can start the other three lug nuts. Now, you can hand torque these if you want. I've been asked to teach you how we do it in the industry, and the way I've done it for well over 20 years. What happened to my torque stick?
I have it.
The way I've done it for well over 20 years is with a torque stick. It's fast and it's efficient. Generally don't have the impact gun set all the way to maximum torque, but then we just go around in a star pattern, snug them up, once they're all snugged, then we torque them down. Just run it until this stops turning. Again, star pattern. And the lug nuts are torqued. A lot of people don't trust it. I've used it for, like I said, probably almost 25 years in the industry, and it's never done me wrong. So that's torquing it. If you want to double check with a torque wrench, feel free. Just make sure you set the torque wrench correctly and you're using the torque wrench correctly.